have to wear boots though.
Still barefoot. It's not that cold. Coming into Clipper Cove, one of our favorite anchorages here on San Francisco Bay. It is chilly out, but it's nice to be back out on the water. Oh my gosh. We've had a crazy couple of weeks. We found a fuel tank leak we're not excited about, and it's just been generally slow. It's been super wintry and stormy, and we haven't had a lot of work with our business either, so it's been a little frustrating, but we're trying to keep our hopes high and continue to just do what we do best, be ourselves, and work hard at what we love doing, and hopefully it'll all pay off in the end. But it's moments like these where you get to take your home somewhere completely different that makes it all worth it. Alright, we are hanging out here in Clipper Cove for the night. I just started the heater. Jack is making some Chinese ramen soup with soft-boiled eggs and noodles.
And very, very, very thin beef.
And all is well here on our little floating home.
If you like our videos, help keep this boat afloat. Subscribe and join our Patreon crew today.